Steaming north, bound for polar seas, the aircraft carrier Midway is on Arctic maneuvers. She has an escort of 3 destroyers, and a pipeline passed to the carrier refuels the small, short-range vessels. The planes are covered against the cold. Masked against the bitter weather, the men experiment with protection for equipment in the far north. Hoses pump warm air into covered planes to keep motors from freezing. Bitter winds whip and lash at the vessel. Frost and snow present a problem, and on deck the sailors test out the latest fashions for Arctic maneuvers. A mechanical brush sweeps clear the flight deck for the plane takeoffs. The propellers are turned over for a flight over the Arctic ice cap. Special cables are attached to the planes, which take off with the aid of catapult equipment. Headed into the wind, the carrier gives her planes every advantage for the hazardous takeoff. Admiral Cassidy, commander of the task force, scans the nearby polar ice pack over which his planes are flying in the first tests of modern carriers against the biting cold of the Arctic.